you got a fella that you want? Say yeah. Need some old school love? Say yeah. Wish you had a switch that you could hit, let her know what you with.
I'ma tell you one last time, stop playing with me. You know bad bitch don't come for free. You not rockin' with the best. Boy, don't you leave me on red. I'ma tell you one last time, stop playing with me and let's go. Let's go. Stop wasting minutes. You know I always keep you warm.
So I have class at 12. It's 10:50 and I gotta get it together. This gotta be fast. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Ashley Chevalier. Just in case you didn't know, today's video is mostly about Shein. Guys, no lie, it took like 2 weeks for this package to get here. Like literally, I ordered this on April 13th and I got this yesterday, which was April 28th. Can you believe that? Especially because of the pandemic that's going on. I doubt Shein takes this long to ship out an order. But yeah guys, I'm excited. 7 bathing suits to try on for you guys, especially for us thick girls, because you know we gotta stick together, period. If you guys want to know where I got this beautiful 24 inches, look at my last video. I either put it right here or right here. This packaging is so cute, like what? And all the links to all these items will be in the description box, just in case you want them. So I'm gonna try this first piece on. It's legit like an orange piece, and you know I feel like it's gonna look cute with my complexion. And it comes with a cover up, and it comes with high-waisted pants. I have a stomach, so I have to go with high rise, because we gotta cover that stomach. If we're not losing weight, we gotta cover that stomach, period. So this is the top. It's mad cute, like great with my complexion, and I love that. Like, woo, this orange, OMG. But yes guys, this is how it is. All my bathing suits are in a 1XL, so I believe that's like an extra large. And I like how it covers my nips, and then it gives me like a little push. They do have padding in them. I'm not the type to like padding, but this, I think I'll keep it. But honestly, I don't think I will. I would definitely take out the pads because it will look normal. I don't feel like my boobs is that big, so these is cute. Honestly, no pun intended, this is really nice. I like how it's high-waisted. I got this for like $12, I believe, with the coupon, and it don't feel cheap. This is the back. Mad simple. It covers half of my bum, and which is good if I don't want to like be all exposed, which I like about that. It did come in different colors, but I feel like since I'm dark skinned, this will look perfect on me. Like this is for like I'm out of the pool. I feel like there are 2 different colors. Maybe it's because of the camera, but in person it's not different colors. It's exactly the same. I look sexy, like. Next item that we're gonna be trying on, I forgot majority of the items that I ordered because it's been so long. Guys, yo, Shein, I don't know who's your designer, but as you can see to the mirror, this bodysuit is mad cute. Now this bodysuit, the only thing I dislike about it, it's not like the type you just put it on. Like if one of these strings come off, your vagina's gonna be out, and you don't want that. And I like how the cleavage are coming out. These did come with pads, but I took them out because I don't like swim pads. I did order a cover up just in case I didn't like them, and it's just a simple mesh cover up. I did also get this in a 1X, and I feel like it's still perfect. Like you see, ooh. And you know when you're at the club and you want to just be in the water dancing, this is really pretty, and I like this so much. It complements my figure, and you know you always look good in black. Complements my figure OD, and I just like how it like guys, yo, what? Tell me it looked like I got my body done, even though I didn't. Like, this is my body, guys. This is how the side looks, and my favorite piece of detail is this. Like, this is so cute and pretty. I like how the string is thin, so it's like it's like, oh, I have like a thong on, but when you turn around, it's not a thong, it's still full coverage. The only problem about this is that the white part keep on lifting, and I don't like that. Maybe that's how it's supposed to be. And I was kind of scared because of my stomach right here, but you know, men love the little stomachs. Is so pretty. Like, I really like this top. Like, it's a little bit snug, but I feel like it's gonna open up by the time like I wear it more frankly, but I can still raise my hand. That's the best part. And I like how it's like a little crop top, you know what I mean? This is so pretty. And then the little strings at the bottom, guys, that's beautiful. One, like, it did come with an extra little piece of tie, which I did like, and I thought it didn't come with, but guys, this is super cute. Like, it's like kitty-ish cute. Like, this is a two-piece, it's not a one-piece. I just wanted to make it look like it's a one-piece because I didn't really like how it is when it's like a two-piece. But I'm gonna still show you guys. But I did a little crisscross, and this is a little bit full coverage, but it's still like a little bit cheeky, which is okay. And this is just adorable. This is like adorable. This is like my last resort when I don't have a bathing suit. This is another one. I like how so simple it is. Like, it's not too much, and I like how it's one off the shoulder. The only problem is that I did have like one nip slip, but like I would really have to be cautious with this bathing suit because my nipples might come out, and it does have like a little under boob showing, but it's still cute or whatever. Like, but this is okay, and it's cute, it's simple. This is for the girl that don't want to do too much on the beach or the pool. And I like how it's one-sided, you know. When I was looking at it and thinking about buying it, I was like, yo, this is simple and cute. 48, and I have class in like legit 12 minutes. The top is really cute and simple. You know, you always gotta have this one piece that just looks the same as everything, and it's black. I feel like every girl has this type of set in their closet. If you don't, it's just like, why not? This is really cute. Boom. It's not like, ooh, but it's still simple and cute, you know. This is the last piece. Comment and subscribe right now. I'll be waiting. This one is okay. It's not my favorite, like the first 3 items I did try on. It's a one piece. It makes my boobs look like I got boobs. Like, that's my favorite part. If I unravel this, my whole boobs is gonna come out. So I did do like a crisscross, and then the strings are really that long for you to just tie it and like do a little bow tie and legit just have it hanging, which I think is really cute. And this did come in orange. I think I would have liked this color in orange, but you know, high-waisted too. It's full. I feel like these are more full coverage than the others, which I do like, just in case I'm with like a family member or something and I would still want to be grown. I did get some accessories from Shein also. I got this cute little wallet that I was fiending for because I don't like using my big wallet anymore, but this is how it comes. It has so many space. Like, I could put stuff here, 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 here. I could put some in back here and also right here, and I could put my coins right here. So this is really cute. The only thing is that the zipper is like not that strong. Like, as you can see, I'm struggling to like zip it up. The other one I got, you know, giving me YSL vibes, but it's not YSL. This is so cute. I put my stuff right here. You know, I got my Metro card because, you know, I live in New York, and I got some accessories. I do not like using my wallet anymore, so I really thought this was a cute item to get. Both of these came up to like $2 each. I also got me like one accessory bag. This is floating around YouTube a lot, so I was like, you know what, I gotta get it and see what's the hype about. It smells like it's brand new. It smells like it's plastic. Not a bad smell, but like, this is what it looked like. You know, everybody has these bags. Legit take this out if you don't want it in there, and it could just simply look like this. But knowing me, I'm gonna leave it in there. So guys, this concludes the video. I bought like 7 bathing suits, so affordable. If you go to like any retail store, like you'll spend $100 for 2 bathing suits. I spent $100 on 7 bathing suits, plus with the cover up and 3 accessories. So that's perfect. And I love how they're all stretchy, except that one pink top that I did mention that you saw in the video. Bottoms fit amazing. I'm more of a cheeky kind of person and still full coverage at the same time. But girls, I'm in love with all of these items, and I'm so happy that I do like them because they're not returnable. Guys, this is my favorite one. Oh my god. Comment down below which one was your favorite piece. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Get to know me and I'll get to know you. Follow me on all my social media. Legit, guys, I'm in class. But later, guys.